Hi, I'm Tarek from Light Up My Life, just giving you a demonstration of our arcade machines. So this is one of our arcade machines. They're just a small tabletop unit that can fit onto any table. These machines power from the power point on the wall, so you would just turn it on and we'll get it going. Now you'll notice there is some lights built into the machine to light up the unit. As it starts up, you'll see the Raspberry Pi symbols will appear on the top of the screen here, and then the RetroPie project, which is what the software is. And it's got a few thousand retro games to choose from. Anything that you can imagine, from Space Invaders, PacMan, Double Dragon, Shinobi, and all those retro arcade machines from Namco, Sega, and those other companies from the 80s. Once the machine gets going, there'll be a couple of menus to choose from. You'll see them appear onto the screen, and then I'll show you what to do next. So this is the main two menus for the machine. This is where all your games are, and this one is the configuration. The configuration is not something that you probably need to play with, just to fix volumes and controls and stuff. To select from your games, you need to choose from the multiple arcade machine emulator, and to get into that one, it's just a matter of pressing the red button on the bottom of the left-hand side. You'll see that a range of games have come up onto the screen, and you can scroll down to choose from. As you scroll, it will get faster and faster, and it will start to scroll by alphabetical letters, just going all the way through. And we'll just choose a game from in here to get started, just to give you a bit of an idea. So this is Frogger. It's a classic game. To choose that game, press the red button on the left-hand side, on the bottom here. You can add credits with the black button down here, or the black button on the left-hand side. We'll add some credits into the game, 1 or 2 players. The white button is your start button, and we're straight into the game. Now, these games will operate exactly as they did in the 80s, normal up and down, left, right, and your control buttons. If it's a game that only had a couple of buttons, it'll probably be the first button on the left-hand side that is your main button. And that's the game running. To get out of this game and to choose another one, all you need to do is press the 2 white buttons, and that'll take you back to the main menu. If you can't find the game that you're looking for, maybe you'll find a different version or a slightly different update that came out over the time. The other option is you can just continue to scroll and scroll and scroll until you find something that you're really after. The unit powers back off from the wall. There's no other switches on it that you need to worry about. That's the arcade machine.